Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both Sanders came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
But as usual, guys, right before we get in it, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it.
No.
What? Oh, what that? Oh, look, sir.
Bruh. Oh shit.
Hello, what's going on here? Really? This is nice, yeah.
You serious?
What's all the first man in line, man, you mad? You going to the hotel, eh?
Yeah, I'm serious, boy. Fixing Mary Junction now, which is the only ass I see there.
I come here because I wore some nice side breast Monday morning, so
Yeah.
I'll be the first man in line.
I want to talk about inside out.
Will you open up there?
The way they go open.
So yeah, they can't move me from here, you know, brother.
Yeah, one more night again,
That's nothing, I stay there till Monday.
Bruh.
The man are the first man in a line. Can look like KFC I got open back at Trinidad and Tobago on Monday. And the man in a line, the man asleep in a line. To be first one in there. I saw them take them KFC serious at Trinidad.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Oh! What you do? First of all, the speaker in the door gonna mash up. The button for open up the door, be a water in that. When them see it, they go done dry.
National flower,
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
dumpling.
Well, I'm quarantine cheap already. What?
Nothing names. Look here. Nothing names social distancing. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I don't know how to do what's there.
Western Union line. All the front out here, so. Rotting.
Yo, a line curve from round at the front of the shopping center, go round upon a different avenue for the government compassionate. Compassionate, you know compassionate, honestly. See what I talk about? The government compassionate thing, you know. But them not practice no social distancing.
wake up, we're in bed, right? I'm asleep. I wake up. She's on Tinder, texting other guys, sending other guys kissy faces, telling them to add on her Snapchat. That's crazy. While in bed with me. Now, and this is also why 2 days ago she told me she loves me, right? But she's on Tinder texting other guys after she said she loved me. She drove down here, right? She lives in Fukuoka. She drove down to Iwakuni and was matching with guys in Iwakuni. She matched with a motherfucker down the hallway. And you know how I know he lives down the hallway? Because I work with him. I have your things. Because you said me. Yuko, I have your things. Please leave.
Alright peeps, hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Just a little thing, you know. Hope someone wanna smile and think, because you know them always say laughter is good for the soul. Sorry I never posted yesterday guys, I never have enough content, and I was supposed to go on the road and sort out some things that never work out. But just comment down below and let me know what you think. And guys, remember to check out my YouTube channel. My new YouTube channel is called Sinus Entertainment. I'm gonna put the link down there. And thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate and love you guys very much. And big up to all mothers once again. Alright, bless up and just go and join the boy. Ashoo!